Terry, hello. I'm Vinny Wells at Tameron Hyundai. Here's the 2020 Hyundai Accent SEL that you asked about. This is the beautiful Admiral Blue. It has a chrome accented front grille, wraparound headlights, has blind spot mirror for the driver. Inside, we have all of our controls for audio and cruise on the steering wheel. It is a tilt and telescopic steering wheel. As you can see, these beautiful cloth seats that matches the exterior perfectly. This vehicle comes with a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which here at Tameron Hyundai we double to 20 years, 200,000 miles. I'm Vinny Wells. Give me a call at 334-313-7131. Come down to see us at Tameron Hyundai, where you're going to love the way you're treated.